Morning traders, Nick Massandreo, Market Tea Leaves, here to bring you our daily market bias video for Friday, August 29th. It is the last trading day for the U.S. markets in the month of August. We're going to take a look at the overnight session. Asia closed mixed, with about half the exchanges closing higher and the other half closing lower. Currently right now in Europe, pretty much all the exchanges are trading to the upside at the current time. With the exception of the Spanish IBEX, which is off fractionally. Now we're going to take a look at market correlation as it stands. Currencies in terms of U.S. dollars trading down. U.S. dollar has been flip-flopping between positive and negative territory all morning long. Energies in terms of crude is trading higher. Crude has been trading higher pretty much all morning long. There is correlation at the present time between the U.S. dollar and crude. Financials in terms of the bonds are all pretty much trading down. And the indices themselves are trading higher. Excuse me, the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average, all pointing to a higher open. Metals in terms of gold is trading down. Now we're going to take a look at the economic news that's on the docket for the U.S. markets today. We do have some just prior to the Labor Day weekend. We do have a core PCE price index, which is out at 830, personal spending and personal income, which is also out at 830. These are considered to be major. However, the major market mover for the day is going to be Chicago PMI, and that is out at 9:45 a.m. Something to be mindful of trading. At 9:55 a.m., just before 10 a.m., we have revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. These are not considered to be major because they are revised numbers. They are not preliminary. Therefore, they don't have the same weight, if you will, as the preliminary numbers do. All in all, bias is to the upside, and we're saying this for a number of reasons. What we're dealing with right now is pretty much a correlated market, or a nearly correlated market, and it's correlated to the upside. This is very rare, as many of you know. The only missing ingredient was gold. I think if gold was trading a little bit higher, I would say it's completely correlated. However, this being said, our bias would be to the upside today. That's one reason. Secondarily, we think that prior to the holiday weekend, we think that people are going to want to end the markets on a positive note. We also think that the smart money, the institutionals, if you will, are going to want to see that happen, and they're going to plow some capital back in, especially given the fact that the markets took a dip yesterday. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything can happen in a volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you, and have a great and happy Labor Day weekend.